A magnetic drill press is a perfect option for all sorts of heavy-duty drilling applications into the metal. Its strong magnetic base will ensure accurate and stable drilling by sitting directly on the metal, which you want to cut through. There are many products available to choose best magnetic drill, each with different characteristics, benefits and price, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best magnetic drill from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dewalt V-Speed Magnetic Drill Press. Dewalt is one of the oldest and most popular brands out there that make both electric as well as pneumatic power tools. Its electric power tools can be a great option for heavy-duty applications, just like its magnetic drill press. The Dewalt DWE 1622K magnetic drill press is present in the first position in this article as it offers the largest drill size. Its variable speed trigger offers two different motor speeds that include 300 RPM and 450 RPM. It allows you to easily use this drill while having a drill travel of 4 inches. If you are drilling a 1/2 inch steel plate, another great thing about buying a magnetic drill press from Dewalt is that you get a decent build quality along with a 3-year-long warranty with it. That is always great to have. Number 2. Hougen HMD Volt Magnetic Drill. When compared with various other options available out there, Hougen is a smaller brand of drill presses. However, its model offers various kinds of things to the user that make it a great pick for some. Hougen's HMD 904 magnetic drill press is present in the second position in this article as it offers various kinds of features to the user. It offers a 1/2 inch drill size to the user that is quite similar to most other options out there. This is also true for its build quality, as it could have been certainly better. Thankfully, the power consumption of this drill press is on the lower side due to its 9-amp electric motor that consumes just 1035 watts. You can use this efficient motor to drill holes of either 1 inch or 2 inch depth. Number 3. Evolution Power Tools Magnetic Drill. You can find a wide range of affordable and value for money power tool offerings from Evolution Power Tools that are also quite reliable and durable, just like its magnetic drill press. This Evolution Power Tools EVO MAG28 drill press is present in the third position in this article, the most reliable and durable option present here. It offers an excellent build quality that is on par with much more expensive options out there. It is able to offer this because of its reliable and efficient 10-amp electric motor that results in a power consumption of 1100 watts. Talking about the size of this drill press, it comes with a 1-inch diameter drill head that offers up to a 2-inch drilling depth. This ensures that neither your drill bit nor your workpiece gets damaged while drilling at high speed using the 570 RPM electric motor of this drill press. Number 4. Mophorn Magnetic Drill Press. Mophorn is another smaller brand of electric power tools like a magnetic drill press that we have mentioned here in this article. The Mophorn MD40 magnetic drill press is the cheapest drill press option present in this article. Despite its budget price tag, you get decent performance along with various features and options in this drill press. As a result, you get a high value for money proposition while using this drill press. Apart from offering a high performance because of its fast electric motor, this budget drill press also comes with a 1-year-long warranty. While this is great to have at the given price tag, the build quality of this drill press could have been certainly better. You can easily use it without any issues. The great thing about this drill press is that it comes included with various drill bits. Number 5. Black Bluerock Typhoon Magnetic Drill. Black Bluerock is another great pick if you are looking for drill press brands that offer budget offerings for high value for money proposition, just like the model mentioned down below. Black Bluerock's BRM35A is among the cheapest drill press models out there. And yet, you get decent performance out of this drill press. This is possible due to its highly powerful electric motor that can go up to 595 RPM quite easily. Unfortunately, this drill press only offers a 90-day-long warranty as it is a budget option. However, this drill press comes with various accessories, including a free chuck, adapter, oil bottle, safety chain, and a case. All these things make it a great value for money option for a lot of users out there, especially when you consider its lower price tag.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.